Hi guys, we have here 3 power banks from Jaguar, and let me tell you guys, each of these power bank has its own function. For example, this power bank can charge any laptop. Ito naman power bank na to is a magnetic wireless power bank, and this one has its own built-in cables. Kaya i-unbox na natin and tingnan na rin natin yung capacity ng mga power banks na to. First, let's check yung kanilang wireless power bank. So ito yung itsura ng first power bank natin, which is yung wireless power bank. Kakaiba yung itsura niya guys, no? Transparent yung harap, kitang-kita mo yung loob ng power bank. While at the back, it's color white and it's up to 5,000 milliamp hours of use. Type-C port na rin ito guys, input and output. Yung weight nito guys is napakagaan lang, 128 grams lang, and it can charge up to 15 watts. Yung material na ginamit naman dito is made out of ABS plastic and aluminum. Ngayon naman guys, i-check natin kung gaano kalakas yung magnet nitong wireless power bank. Kita nyo naman, nag-snap agad sa ating smartphone, and pagka-snap nyan guys, automatic, nag-charge na agad yung ating smartphone. Kahit anong pag-alog ko yung gawin dito, hindi naman siya nawawala sa kanyang place and nag-charge pa rin naman siya.